Ako na mag-i-score. Dalawang score. Sabi kung tayo lang.
Kung tayo lang kailangan natin, walang mabunot dyan.
Ako na magdadalawang score. Sa ating gawin.
Walang mabunot. Basta. Maginaw pa rin.
Pumapalag pa din yung medyo.
Oo. Fake news. Kala ko gumanda na.
Para mas mahaba.
Wala natang summer eh. Winter na.
Para mahaba ngayon, no? Kasi dati nung naalala ko ng mga March na doon. Kalagitnaan ng March, hindi na lumabas ulit.
Sa January to February, siyang bisis kami nakabayad ng plow.
Ano ba average mo? Mga nakaraang taon? Mas konti?
Kunti.
Marami ngayon, no?
Oh, siguro mga 4 lang siguro last year. Sa January to February lang yan.
Balik normal na. Yan yung tininabutan natin dati.
70 pa naman yung per plow.
Sa mga bahay.
So, ba? Ha?
Ilan na yun? Parang sa 4 na.
Hindi, yung malaki, yung sa Regent lang naman eh. Kasi malapad yung...
Original mo, sa Regent? Ay,
Hindi.
Freshman yan, di ba? Ano nga sa high school? Ano nga sa high school?
Sa freshman. Hindi yun masyado. Yung sa Regent, yung... Malaki kasi.
Malaki bayad.
Malaki bayad.
Bale? Kung pinapayaran.
Report naman at the end of the...
Bawi ko rin yan.
Tao at tao. Asan yung ano, bro? Yung mga players. Akin na yung...
Yung may asterisk yung may walang pirma. 0.5 okay na. Yan na. Pirmado na lahat.
Tay! Yung wala, hindi nakapirma.
Tayong bakasyon.
Okay lang, murag tamtaw sabi ni Mrs. Wow, nakakamiss naman tong tamtaw na to. Oo, dami. Ay, yung walang pirma, yung naka-asterisk.
Ay, pera ako ballpen. Yeah, pera ko. So sila na magbibilang ng ano brad ha?
Referena.
Yung 20 lang.
Sino mag-clock?
Marami, ako lang. Yung mga kapisalis ko ba? Nakakalit-lit yung tayo dito pag gagawin ko dito.
Wala, si Vince.
Turumok ko kung
Hindi, si Vince. Vince, ang gatara. Kompleto? Na-kompleto nila?
Sabi ko, ginawa nilang 3-6. Kaya lucky number daw yan. Lucky number daw yan. Lucky number yan.
Welcome to the 2026 FBL Sports events. Get ready for an incredible season of energy, community, and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys Fredericton. Thank you for your incredible support in bringing our community together. A huge shout out to our gold sponsor, Acevedo Property and Equipment Rental. Your commitment to local sports makes all the difference for our athletes. Next, we recognize our silver sponsor, Glaze Allure with EXP Realty. Thank you for your professional partnership and dedication to the FBL family. We are also proud to have Viscount Kitchen Pinoy Fiesta as a silver sponsor, bringing amazing flavor and support to our local community events. And thank you to Lechel Taka and Ken Martinez, our silver sponsor mortgage brokers, for helping us reach new heights this season. Join us every Sunday night at Connaught Gym. Let's make this season legendary. Thank you to all our sponsors and fans.
21? 91. Higit ba yan? Higit ito? Wala sin. Nasa Pinas. Ayaw, atensyon na. Pinansin. Limonya. Limonya, di ba? Oo. Okay, thank you. Sino wala pa sa kanila?
Sino yung home? May time yung home? Yes, yung 0.5 yung home. Walang mag-statistic. Wala.
5 minutes na?
Start yan 7:15. So, anong oras? Mga 5 minutes.
Hello, mic test.
good evening, ladies and gentlemen, to another weekend of FBL basketball. And our matchup for tonight, Point 5 versus the defending champion, the Maple Leaf team. Woo! And 9 minutes warm-up.
Ikaw na lang kaya dyan, hindi ko alam yun. Ano? Hindi ko kabisa. Dalawa? Hindi, time lang, time. Ito yung isa. Oo, si ano lang may kabisa. Si James. Ang hirap na yun.
Yan na. Pag set time, unang set time, yung dito. Sa pang set time, yan, yung pangalawa. Third set time, ito. Fourth set time, tapos, wala. Tapos, 5 minutes.
Ayan, si Ben. Ayun. Ito, time. Dito ka, Ben. Time.
Start ka na lang, kuya. Start ka na lang. Para may start.
Hindi, sa time yan.
Okay, tayo si Vin.
Time si Ben.
Si Vin, sa kuya, si Stas. Start ako na lang pareho.
Mark!
Sino yung maglalaro dito? Ito yung number.
Oo. Ano, may mga number. Good evening, guys. Again, we're just waiting for everything to be set up. And again, as usual, let's keep the game clean, competitive yet clean. Let's keep the game fun. Outside the court, we are all brothers. So just have fun, guys. And just a reminder, referee's decision is final. Please respect the referee's decision. And substitutions, just go in front of the committee table so the referees can see you. And to all our spectators, thank you for coming in tonight. And if you brought your kids, please just attend to your kids. Guys, to avoid any accidents, please attend to your kids, okay? To avoid any accidents. We don't have a stretcher in the house. Going to the hospital is self-service. Self-service when you need to go to the hospital. That is just joke lang. Just attend to your kids, guys, please, okay? To prevent an accident. Especially when there's a live ball in play. And again, good luck to both teams. Good luck to both teams.
Nagkalaban na ba to sila? Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
May ito, ilang laro na?
Pareho pa lang isa. Ay, oh. Ito na lang. Dalawa na.
Uy, napirmahan lahat? Nandiyan na yata sila.
Yung iba wala.
Ha? Ang dami nila.
Hermana. Yung iba wala.
Sino yung wala?
Sila Jeremy.
Nasa Pinas to eh.
Si Jeremy nasa Pinas?
Hindi, yung mga iba, sila Hill, yung mga may asterisk, yun wala. Yung mga may asterisk,
Andun sa Pinas?
o yung iba mo. Wala na naman yung sponsor ko.
And of course, before we start the ball game, a big shout out to our sponsors, Taco Boys, our major sponsor, Taco Boys Federation, Guys Alomi, with EXP Realty, Mike Out Kitchen, by boss Archie and Madame Jane, A12 Halifax, Azevedo Property Equipment Rental. And again, thank you to everyone who came in tonight to support your own team. And thank you to our guests here coming from the Maple Leafs, the top boss of the Maple Leafs. Thank you for coming in tonight, man, sir. And I'm gonna start ba? 3 minutes. Ayun, start ba?
Start mo tayo, sabihan mo sa referee.
Guys, first five, let's do this! Let's do this, first five! Good luck to those teams!
Sir, what's your name? John. John. Number 6. Yep. And ano ba sa waiver?
Bola, bro.
Are you already signed? Cool. Thank you, sir.
Bola, bro. Lalo.
Alam mo yung official goal eh.
Yes,
Try this one. That's good? That's good? One wrong, one wrong.
Let's go! Maple Leafs! Point 5!
0.5 home. Yes. Maple.
Guys, scoreboard, 0.5 home. Maple Leafs, yes. Scoreboard, 0.5 home. Maple Leafs, yes.
Wala na daw yung... Wala na daw eh.
It goes red and black. Red? Red, black. Okay.
Good luck to those teams.
Rep, you guys the one count the 24 seconds.
Shot block
violation?
Pagkailangan lang daw.
We don't. If under 2 minutes, if a game is within 10 seconds, 10 points, we will say 10. We don't count it down. No,
Okay,
just
okay.
10 counts.
Okay, got it.
After 2 minutes, within 10 points.
Okay,
we do that.
That's good.
Let's go! And it's on! Oh, wow! That's a rare miss from James. Pagkutala si James. Mark, Jared! 2 more points! First 2 points for 0.5. First basket of the ball game. James. To Edison, okay. Edison! Heavily defended. John! And a miss from John. Mark to Ben! Quick release! Ben! And a miss from Ben. James with the rebound. James to John. Kick out to Edison! Double team! To Paul! To Edison! And a miss! John with the rebound! And a turnover! It's okay. Early lead by the 0.5 team, but 2-0. Mark, football point, 1 point with a good look, no good. James. Mark. right, guarded by Greg. Greg, defending Mark. Kick out to Marvin. Bounce pass to Ballboy. Ballboy almost lost it. To Ben. Ben double team. The ball will remain with the black team. 0.5. Ben. Almost lost it. Oh, the steal. Nice defense from the red team. Great, good ball to John. John, quick release. John, no good. Mark with the rebound. And Anderson stole it. And the ball will remain with the black team. Good beat from the white team. Mark to Ben. Ben. Setting up. Ben. Ben. Oh, a clean block. That's a block, guys. Nice beat from the white team. Edison. John again. John attacking. Kick out to Edison. Edison with the clean up. Edison. For a free. First basket the ball game ahead. Jared to Marvin. Marvin. Back to Mark. Mark attacking. Mark to the shot. Mark to the shot. Rebounded by Paul. Paul the police. Paul to James. James setting up. James to the cut. James. Oh, James just threw the ball. The police. 1 point lead by the Maple Leafs. Low scoring ball game. Good defense from both teams. Jared attack. Jared and a charge. First personal foul, Jared. First team foul, 45. Greg. To Paul. Paul. To John. John. For a three. First basket the ball game by John. 4 point lead, Maple. Jared again. Jared. Sizing up the defense to Mark. Mark. Guarded by Greg. Marvin. Mark attacking. And the ball is released. Timeout! The black team. Early timeout from the black team. Maple Leafs leading by 4 points. Low scoring ball game. Good defense on both teams. And of course, the ball game is brought to you by Taco Boy. Play the low lead. Once again, the proper game equipment draft code. And a quick shout out to our youngsters, Kellen and Austin, the youngsters from the D5. Let's go, let's go! Let's go, tayo masyado magpagaling. Napapatulog pa lang ang baby. Marvin, inbounding, Marvin. Long pass, Jared attacking. Jared to the stop. Jared off the mark. And the ball is up to the white team. Nice defense from the white team.
58.
58?
Marvin.
Marvin 58, first personal Marvin. Second, team foul. 0.5. Edison attacking. Oh, yes, the step back. Paul with a shot. Paul. Oh, rebound by John. Nice rebound by John. Kick out to Edison. Edison attacking. Edison. Big run. No good. Oh, rebound. Mark, setting up to Jared. Mark, with an open look. No good. And the ball will go to the right. Nice try by Mark. 4 minutes and 4 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Still early Greg to John attacking. John, almost lost it. James, first personal, first team foul, Maple Leaf, 4 points. 4 points! 3-point play completed by 4 points. Si Popoy lang kumakalala sa ano sa point 5 1 point lead, Maple. John, sizing up the D. James! Starting by Jared! Pass by Paul! Kick out by Anderson! No good! Mark with the rebound! Mark by the way! Mark goes! Mark to Margaret! And the ball! Will remain the black team. Nice team from the right side. Marvin! To Tito Dan attacking!
Nice!
To Marvin with the layup! Oh, what a reverse! He got by Marvin! First time with the ball game by Marvin. 1 point lead. 45. 2-0 run by the point 5. John, oh, no good. Almost. Jared attacking, Jared over team. Paul, got it. Paul. No good. Marvin with the rebound. Mark, 4 points. Jared. Nice defense by Greg. Popoy again. Mark, I got this. No good. Point 5 still leading by 1 point. Greg setting up. Greg, oh, that's it. Mark, close to Mark. Threw the ball. Got it.
Buti na lang.
First basket of the ball game by Tito Dan. 3-point lead. Paul. Edison! Tito Dan waiting at the end of the court. Tito Dan, 2 straight baskets. 5-point lead, big match. 5. John attacking. First basket of the ball game by second basket actually by John. 3-point lead, point 5. Back to Mark. Init out. Mark to Marvin with a miss. James with an open look. I got this. James! 3 points. That is the end of the first quarter.
11.
Nice effort from both teams.
Ganda. Lalaro sa Iron sa inyo.
And again, the ball game is brought to you by Taco Boy.
Nako.
Thank you, Lori. Lumapit siya. ESPN by Jack Nixon, K-12 Mortgage, Diamond, Acevedo, Property, and Equipment.
May laban kami. Ilalim.
Si
Let's go!
Kasama si Glyza ba?
Let's go!
Patingin niya yung ano. Oo.
Let's go, guys! May magpapatulog na ng mga bata mamaya. Naghahanapin uwi ang mga tito natin. Okay, the bird going in. James Blackie. James, hit a shot. James, oh, nice. James, Ryan. And the ball will remain with the red team. James to Brian. Brian, almost. I thought Brian was going to sit there for a second. James, come on, team. James. Oh, quick. That's a poor shot by James. A good beat from the black team. Go back. Tito Dan. Tito Dan. To the right. Tito Dan. And a foul. 13. Strike three, first personal, first team foul. Maple. Tito Dan for 2. What a steal from the free throw line, Tito Dan. One point lead. Point guard. James Blackie. Oh, here. Screen foul. Screen foul. Traveling violation. Turnover. Okay, to Tito Dan, to Boy, back to Tito Dan, to Jared, Marvin with a shot, Marvin, across, off the mark. Oh, nice shot! Defense for John with a steal. John! Another three from John. 2.3 Maple. Jared with a shot. Jared! 2 points. First passing the ball game with Jared. John again with this. John, Edison coming in for John. We have a tight ball game again. Maple lead by 0.5. Tito Dan with a miss. 4 point with the rebound. 4 point with the follow-up shot. And the ball will remain with the black team. Ganda ng laban. 4 points. To Marvin, over 3. Marvin, heavily defended. James. The red squad all the way. The red squad. Oh! And James with a steal from the other end. James with an open look. No good. Nice hustle by the red team, but the ball is off to the black team. Dan. Guarded by Edison. To Marvin. Marvin to 4 point. 4 point with the face. 4 point. Heavily defended. 4 point. And a foul. Number 2, Tyrion. Okay, Edison, first personal, Second team foul, the red team. No. He's just joking. Oh boy. Oh, the miss by Marcus. Brian. Time out, man. White team.
Ano si Vincent? Pwede na.
Okay na, pre. Okay na, okay.
1 point lead, mamaya na daw, pagod pa siya eh. Huwag yung pilitin.
Hindi kami nakita. Hindi kami nakita. Rumok to nga siya eh.
Welcome to the 2026 FBL Sports events. Get ready for an incredible season of energy, community, and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton.
Let's go, let's
We are honored
go!
to introduce
1 point lead, point 5. The red team with a chance to tie up the ball game with the lead again. Tyree having to go to Edison. White shot, that game the rebound. Oh, good. More to the rebound. Marvin. And the ball will go to the red team. Substitution. Okay, the blitz going in for the Birds. Paul attacking. Paul, kick out to the audience. Jared lighting up the D. Jared guarding by Edison. Jared lost it. And turnover by point 5 team. Substitution. Big coming in for Jared. Big coming in for Jared. 1.3 pa rin. 1.3 pa rin. 0.5. 3 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. Paul with an open look. Paul, no good. He's out of the way. To Marvin. He's down. And a foul.
Kailan si Edison? Kailan si Edison?
Edison, second personal. Second, 13 foul, April. Wait, The backward violation and the ball will go back to the black team.
We go here.
Substitution. Edison, John going in for Brian, and Greg going in for Edison. One. To Marvin. To Marvin, the Marvin! James, second personal. Warning for penalty, Maple Leaf. Sino ba?
Dos lang.
Dos lang yun.
Oh, shout out to Sandy. One of our brother, the simple guys. See you next year. Paul, defended, heavily defended. Looking for someone to pass. Foul Greg. Greg with the screen from right wheel. Greg kick out the ball. Ball attacking. Tito Dan, first personal Tito Dan, and the people to the first team foul, 45, ball to James. James with a fake. James lost it. James out to the penalty. We got this. Bola. And Tito Dan, what a run by the 4.3 by the 4.53.
Welcome to the 2026 FBL Sports events. Get ready for an incredible season of energy, community, and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys Fredericton. Thank you for your incredible support in bringing our community together. A huge shout out to our main sponsor, Acevedo Property Equipment Rental. Your commitment to local sports makes all the difference for our athletes. Next, we recognize our silver sponsor, Glazalore with EXP Realty. Thank you for your professional partnership and dedication to the FBL family. We are also proud to have Viscount Kitchen Pinoy Fiesta as a silver sponsor, bringing amazing flavor and support to our local community events. And thank you to Lechel Tacta and Ken Martinez, our silver sponsor mortgage brokers, for helping us reach new heights this season. Join us every Sunday night at Connaught Gym. Let's make this season legendary. Thank you to all our sponsors and fans.
Anong ba yan? May pag na-approve ako sa school boys para ito yung ano ko. Yung recreation is, hindi yung recreation is sports status ko. Pag nakuha ko yun, pwede akong magano ng mga sports. Parang resume ba, pag naka-apply ako pag-graduate ko.
Maghanap kami yung mga bata na
basta may sponsor. Yung mahirap eh.
Hindi, kami nang bahala doon sa mga video, sa mga sponsor. Pero yung mga marketing, mga committee, mga game plan, ngayon na. Ay, walang bahala. Ako sinabala doon sa mga video, sa sponsor, gano'n. Pero yung yung mga posting sa social media, kayo na, yung mga game plan.
Pwede naman. Anong month ba ulit yung pag-winter league na yan?
Hindi. Usually, February mag-start eh.
Next year na, no?
Oo, next year.
Pero start ng, una ng team.
Mga September. September pa lang. Start na nga ng, invite ka na.
Pwede ka rin mag-invite sa ibang lugar. Sa mga Woodstock, para medyo maganda. Sino yung kapalik ka sa team na? Si Kuya Brex, friend? Kaya lang eh.
Mag-PA, meron na naman. Paliga sila Jun. Sila Paul.
Ay, kayo na lang doon. Sabi kayo.
2 days daw sila dito. Maghanap ka ng iba para marami kayong makasama ba? Kasi baka next year, na kami eh. Pahinga na kami eh.
enjoy lang namin yung buhay namin.
Papawit na lang kami.
Kayo naman para kayo naman yung generation naman ng mga ano. Ha? Wag niyong walain yung kasi pag napabayaan natin, wala na tayong pakain. Wala nang mag-aaral.
Meron na kay bowlers na.
Kay bowlers na. Mapupunta sa kanila. Family business naman yun. Oo, yun, no. Mga bata dun eh. Ano yung sa ako ni klase?
Welcome to the 2026 FBL Sports events. Get ready for an incredible season of energy, community, and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys Fredericton. Thank you for your incredible support in bringing our community together. A huge shout out to our gold sponsor, Acevedo Property and Equipment Rental. Your commitment to local sports makes all the difference for our athletes. Next, we recognize our silver sponsor, Blazer Roar with XP Realty. Thank you for your professional partnership and dedication to the FBL family. We are also proud to have Viscount Kitchen, Pinoy Fiesta as a silver sponsor, bringing amazing flavor and support to our local community events. And thank you to Lechel Tacta and Ken Martinez, our silver sponsor mortgage brokers, for helping us reach new heights this season. Join us every Sunday night at Connaught Gym. Let's make this season legendary. Thank you to all our sponsors and fans.
Maple Leaf, training closely behind. Good. Oh, lost it. Oh, Mark, got it back. Not left with an open look. Not left. Way off the mark. James trying to save it. James trying to save it, but it's okay. Koi setting up. Koi. Oh, turnover. Oh, the ball will go to the red team. Nice team from the red team. Edison. To Greg. Greg on that process. James with an open look. James! 1.5. Not that. To Koi. Kick out to Mark. Mark. Balik kay Koi. Koi. Attacking. Nice hustle by the red team. Koi. To not, going strong. To Koi. Kasambao, 2 points yung wala. Sorry guys, just 2 points.
Yan na. Edison. Fast break na yan kay Edison.
Maple Leaf leading by 1 point. Lock. Oh, the ball is ready to black team. Nice hustle out from both teams.
Simula na mag-fast break si Edison. Yan, no? Pag nakuha yan, fast break na yan. Oh.
Mark. To Koi. To Popoy.
Yan, no?
Oh, the ball is out. Here, let the black team go. And a foul.
11.
The The bleepers personal ka, bleep. First personal call, first team foul, Maple Leaf, Joe. Oh, where is this from John? John to James guarded by John. James switching. James. Oh! Mark all the way. Mark. And settled by Mark with a 2-point conversion. 1-point lead again. 0.5. James with a switch and a 3. And Mark with a rebound.
Ang tangkad.
Popoy in the cross. Popoy attacking. Popoy at the street. Popoy on the cross. And the ball will go to the red team.
Ayoko mag-ano pag ito rin. Kaya nilalak. Parang talong yan eh.
Punta sa foul para may bayad.
Hindi naman ako nang magabot.
Red team. John! Oh! And the ball will go to, the ball will stay to the red team. The ball will stay to the red team. Nice effort by the red team.
Ilang time out sa sila? 1 per quarter? Habol na
Apat, dalawa.
Apat tapos. Dalawa sa point. Tapos apat ang nasabi ko eh.
No good. Brian to Edison. Nice. Follow Edison by the Maple Leaf team. Not. Tika. Oh, no basket.
Come in.
James, James first personal foul. Second team foul. Margaret inbounding. Margaret to that. So pass to Tito Dan. Tito Dan with the shot. Tito Dan took the shot. No good. Ball with the rebound. John with a 6-3. No good. John again. Brian to John again. John guarded again. Jared. John feed out to James.
Hangin.
Time out.
Oh, this time out? Okay, fine. Time out! Maple Leaf leading by 1 point with 3 minutes left to play remaining in the third quarter. And reminder, our next ball game, Coffee Night versus Team Point. Coffee Night versus Team Point. The young brothers of Team Point.
Ha?
Brian to James. James to Brian. James to Tyree. Tyree with the fire. Tyree with the traveling violation again. Another turnover by the red team. Not to Jared. Jared attacking. Jared! Jared, Mati. Jared, first personal. Second personal, Jared. James. Tyree again. Tyree with a shot. Tyree with a beat. Marcy with a rebound.
Hindi ang defense eh.
Jared again. Jared. Dalawang isip. Ready to face. Oh, fight again! James, warning, James! James, warning! Number five, James! James, warning ka na!
Game.
Counted. Basket count.
Basket is good, Sarah. Basket is good. Tingin kayo, nice play, sir, nice play. Paul. Edison. And a foul. 28, hinatak yun.
That's not 28.
28. Edison, quick release. Edison, no good. Karim, release out. That ball.
Bro, upo lang bro, pag hindi nag-sub bro. Upo lang pag hindi nag-sub. Upo lang.
Zairi, nasa personal. Where is your penalty?
Wala na oras.
That is the end of the third quarter.
Wala lagi. Sila.
That's that. 3% completed. 4.3 to 0.5.
Kasi lumalapit dito. Yan na naman yung ano.
25-21.
Referee, guys. Team captain have a question. Let's go! That's a reminder to both teams. If you want to do a substitution, just go in front of the committee table. And both teams, players, remain in your seats. Players, remain seated. If you're not going to stop. Matitechnical kayo yan.
Huwag mong pilitin! Kasama na pasa, ha?
Marvin, to Popoy. Popoy. And the ball will remain in the back team.
Paano yan? Yung dalawa, ay yung...
Pareho sila.
Jacket, to Popoy, and a foul.
Ay! Sayang!
31, one first personal, first team foul. Popoy to Jared, Jared double team. Jared to Mark to Nanas, Jared, and a foul. There's foul.
Three-one na naman.
Second personal muna. Second personal, second team foul. If you're gonna stop, look at the referee. They will be the one asking you to come in. Martin open. Shot the rebound. James again. James!
Bahala sa'yo rin.
What a pass from James! And the ball is on the red team. Red team is on the red team. Grabbing pass to the para sa LSU. And it's time! Never say die, Maple Leafs!
Wala pa kami time out. Dalawa pa kami. Dalawa.
Just a reminder, both teams have two timeouts. Both teams have two timeouts.
Stop.
Popoy to Jared. Jared to Marvin. No good. 3,000. James. 1.3.5. 1.3.5. James. James with a three. No good. Enter the rebound. And return. Back to James. James with a three from John. Oh, the three! What a shot by the Bleach! What a shot by the Bleach! Dos lang ba yun? Dos lang?
Dos lang.
Dos lang pala. Yan ang 2-point shot. 2-point shot na. Foul. What a defense by the red team!
Pag nakashit.
1.3! Maple Leafs!
Sila ba lamang? Kami.
Sila na. 1
Isa
point.
lang, 1 point.
Backward?
John is acting! John! Kick out to Mark! John lost it! Mark, pinagkakas! Pero pwede na kita! That's not kita! Tama, pwede na lang! Sige! Time out! Red team!
Welcome to the 2026 FBL Sports
Red
events.
team have one
Get
timeout
ready for an
left.
incredible season
Red team
of
has 2 timeouts left.
and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys Fredericton. Thank you for your incredible support in bringing our community together. A huge shout out to our gold sponsor, Acevedo Property and Equipment Rental.
Wait,
Your commitment to
sorry guys,
local sports
technical
makes
issue.
all the difference for our athletes. Next, we
Mahina ang
recognize
signal,
our
sorry,
super
Glove
sponsor,
kasi.
Blaze Allure with EXP Realty.
Mahina ang signal,
Thank
Glove.
you for your professional partnership and
Let's go, let's go, let's go! Dali go, may mga dati pa, mag-aalaga ng bata. .5. James! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! James! With an answer! Oh, the ball will go back to the red team.
Parang naratol.
John, 2 balls. Ball. Guarded by Marvin. Ball. Cyril. Cyril. James. Cyril. The ball will go to the black team. Nice defense for the black team. Maple still leading by 1 point. And a foul! 13, third personal. 13 fouls. Maple. Ito ka na, pre.
Overtime to ah.
Popoy.
Ganda yung ano eh.
Popoy! Wala madaling tira, James. Yes, sir. Red team. Guys, upo kayo. Binigyan niya kasi kanina yung bola sa kanila. Sabi niyo, reference dito tayo. Oh, the ball will go back to the black team. Front court. Marvin, ikaw nat, binalik kay Tito Dat, tumira, wala, supply, rebound, set ball, ball to James, to John, guys, sasab kayo, dito kayo, huwag kayo bigla papasok.
Muna, pagka ganyan, Brad.
Guys, huwag ganyan. Dito kayo sa harap para makita kayo ng referee. Hindi kayo pinapapasok, pre. Ayun, tingin kayo sa referee, pre. Pag sinasay kayo pumasok, pasok na lang kayo, pre. Para hindi tayo magulo, pre. Para hindi magulo.
Foul yung si 28.
Pwede, hindi yung sinatat. Ano sinatat pa? Kaya ako, ako na yun. Natat, second personal ka na, natat. Second team foul. Uy! Uy! Foul! Mark first personal. 13 foul. Edison. Tyree tumatake. Tyree naglong. Bilang Edison. Tumatake. Edison tumira. Backline. Mark. Tumapoy. Tulata. Nata tumatake. Nice shot by Nat. We have a 5-point lead in favor of the 0.5 team. John attacking. John directs the basket. Kick out to Paul hesitating. John again. John with a teardrop. No good. Kalma to. Para may atakin sa puso
Wala na, tapos na time out.
Welcome to the 2026 FBL Sports.
Red 0 timeout, black team 2 timeout. But it's negotiable. $5 per timeout. We have 3 minutes, 30 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Let's play. Northern Lights versus the team choice. Let's go. Tapusin na natin ito. Bago umiyak yung anak ko po, boy. Hindi ko umiiyak pag umiyak yan. Napautini ng laro. Natutuwa ko yung anak ni Popoy dahil yan yung laro. Pag umiyak yan, sige ng laro. Edison for James from downtown. Not that. What a ball! Not that to the cross. Not that to the side check. Not that to the shot. What a shot by that shot. Nice one, Steve. Edison. Edison opens up. No good. Not to the rebound. Mark. Siniset up pala si Tito Dan. Oh! What a shot by John! Si John ba yun? 3-point shot by John! Maple Leaf! Never say bye, Maple Leaf! 4-point no good.
Basket, time out. Pag naka-basket lang.
John again! John! And a foul!
Time out.
Wala. Ano, time out kayo?
Wala.
Sino yung foul?
28.
Sino sila?
Not bad.
Not third personal. Warning for penalty, 0.5. Warning for penalty, 0.5. Warning man. Not three personal. 4. Yes, sir. One or two from the free throw line, Paul. 7-point lead, 0.5. Tito Dan. To Popoy. To Jared, set it up. Jared, Mabate. Jared, and a shot. And a foul.
Time out.
Welcome to the 2026 FBL Sports Events. Get ready for an incredible season of energy, community, and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor this year, Taco Boys Fredericton. Thank you for your incredible support in bringing our community together. A huge shout out to our gold sponsor, Acevedo Property and Equipment Rental. Your commitment.
Body shot.
Sino mag-shot? Si Juan.
Dito. Penalty. Greg, going for 2 free throw shots. Yes, sir. 1 and 2 for the free throw line, Greg. Dito na to Popoy. Popoy attacking. Popoy. And a cut to Janet. That's up. 5 to shoot. 3, 2, 1. Janet attacking. And the ball will remain in the red team. Stop. No shot. That's the shot. Ayan na si James! So good! Ayaw talaga. Marvin with the rebound. Dito Dan. Tunat na. And a foul. Warning for penalty. James already fouled out. Warning for penalty, late ball. Pass the ball by James.
14, 21, 24.
Good? Oh, good. Yeah. Bilis pasa! Marvin. Uy! Nakita ni Paul! Paul in the shield! Nice shield from Paul! Paul on the way! Uy! Pinasa pa! Marvin! Yes, sir! Pinaganda pa ni Marvin! Ayaw ng simple! And again, this ball game is brought to you by Taco Boys. Play the lobby with the Imperial Team by the Kitchen, 8-12 working Halifax. Acevedo Property and Equipment Rental. Dito na, tumira, dito! Hey!
Hindi ko yun natin.
Shoutout, Redom.
Welcome to the 2026 FBL Sports events. Get ready for an incredible season of energy, community, and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys Fredericton. Thank you for your incredible support in bringing our community together. A huge shout out to our gold sponsor, Acevedo Property and Equipment Rental. Your commitment to local sports makes all the difference for our athletes. Next, we recognize our senior sponsor, Quality Realty. Thank you for your professional partnership and dedication to the FBL family. We are also proud to have Viscount Kitchen, Pinoy Fiesta as a silver sponsor, bringing amazing flavor and support to our local community events. And thank you to Lechel Tacta and Ken Martinez, our silver sponsor mortgage brokers, for helping us reach new heights this season. Join us every Sunday night at Connaught Gym. Let's make this season legendary. Thank you to all our sponsors and fans.
Done.
Dito Dan, pa-picture naman, dito Dan! Dito Dan, pa-picture!
Ano nangyari? Ha? Ano nangyari? Kaya lang pre. Andyan na yan eh. Hindi naman ako nagbabasketball eh. Andyan na yan.
Lovely, brother.
Ay na, thank you. Nice game.
Nice game.